Hey there, the team over at KAUGIC has sent over one of their 500-piece first aid kits. This is a great kit to keep at home or keep in the trunk of the car when you're traveling or camping, wherever you need. So let's take a closer look at it. Here is a list of everything that is inside this first aid kit, and everything is kind of separated by sections. So you have your wraps and gauze, and it tells what's actually in there as well as how many. So for instance, your large sterile gauze pads, there's 8 of those. Then you have your treatments, so your antiseptic towelettes, cleansing towelettes, etc. All your wound care stuff, so all your bandages and wound closure things are here. You have disposable gloves and dental floss picks and lancets. You also have a pill organizer, a whistle, glow sticks, a carabiner, metal scissors and tweezers. There's also emergency and protection gear like ice packs, emergency blankets, and a disposable tourniquet. So many things in here. Let's open it up and take a look. So here's an outside look at the first aid kit. It has multiple pockets on it, and we'll get into here in just a minute. But there's already supplies in here ready to go. You have multiple ways to carry it. There's a strap on the side, there's a strap on the top, there's an adjustable strap here, and then if we flip it onto the back, there's even a way here that you could strap it through a belt. Let's take a look at the inside, starting with this pocket here that I mentioned earlier. So in our first pocket, we have a first aid guide. We have a place to put telephone numbers and symptoms of things. Some burn care relief, cooling patches, and disposable masks. When we open it up and go inside, we have our shoulder strap that can be attached to the outside of the bag. Everything is labeled nicely in here so you can keep it all well organized. There's a zippered compartment. On the other side of that, we have another containment area with a plastic on the outside, Velcro closure. We've got another set of pockets that opens up. Here on the bottom, we have more pockets for everything. Everything's nice and labeled. We've got straps to hold things in place. And just so you can see, everything is pretty well labeled as to what it is. You got your emergency blankets, cotton balls, tongue depressors. Of course, scissors are pretty self-explanatory, tweezers, but it's kind of nice that everything's pretty well labeled, so I know what something is when I go to grab it. If you're looking for an all-inclusive first aid kit that's going to help with multiple situations as they come up, whether it be in your car, your home, or on those adventures, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.